Here's a basic YouTube channel that doesn't demand a lot of editing. The channel is called Iron Warriors, and its videos consistently generate a solid monthly income, making it one of the simplest channels to replicate and profit from. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your very own channel, just like this one, with minimal effort. Take a look at what it made in the last 30 days, $1,700. And this is what the channel rakes in annually on average, $10,000. Let me ask you something. If you could earn an extra $10,000 a year with very little effort using our shortcuts, would it be worth it to you? If your answer is yes, then stick around because I'm about to walk you through the step-by-step process of copying and pasting this channel so you can start generating income too. But first, we need to understand why gym motivation channels are an easy niche to get into. Looking at the metrics, gym motivation channels have a high search volume and the competition score is 89.68. The competition score may seem high, but this makes it the perfect opportunity to start printing money because there's enough search volume to get traffic to your own channel. Let's look at one of Iron Warrior's most recent uploads.
Fitness, bodybuilding, anything. Doesn't matter. The key is here. The key is your mind, yeah? And we're much more powerful than we think, or that we've been led to believe, yeah?
Channels like this are pretty easy to copy and paste because all it is multiple clips of bodybuilders working out with a motivational speech script and voiceover. I would say this is a 4 out of 10 when it comes to how hard it is to reproduce this video. So let me show you how it's done. The first place we want to start is CapCut PC. I highly recommend you use CapCut to create YouTube videos fast for top quality results. Do not use the mobile app to create your videos. Download the PC version of CapCut. Once CapCut is downloaded, let's click on the Library button from the Media tab. From here, let's type bodybuilding in the search box. Let's click and add the bodybuilding videos to our timeline. This is going to be our background video playing as our voiceover plays. Next, let's head over to the Filters tab and type in the word Dark 2. Let's click the plus button and add this to the timeline as well. Now let's drag the filter bar to the length of our video, and that way it stays dark during the whole video. Next, let's add some background music. Go to the Audio tab and type Epic War Drums in the search box. Now pick the second option and hit the plus sign. Lower the volume to -20 so the music doesn't drown out the voiceover. Let's see what we got so far. Now you can see how this is coming together. All right, let's create our script. Iron Warrior did a great job of coming up with a motivational script about pushing yourself harder. This is the key in making the viewers stay around for your entire video. Your script has to have the same effect. Don't worry, because I'll teach you a much better method than just randomly asking ChatGPT to create a story for you. You don't even need a prompt. This shortcut is so easy that all you have to do is copy and paste the title of the video you would like to reproduce and let AI do the rest. This shortcut is called Channel Maker. The link is down in the description below. All you do is copy and paste the video title of any YouTube video you would like to reproduce. And by law, it's copyright free because you've repurposed the content. No edits needed. A 5-year-old could do it with no problem. You'll get your entire script emailed to you in under 30 seconds. And your videos will be over 5 minutes long. Let me show you. First, we'll go back to Iron Warrior's YouTube video. We'll copy his video title and paste it into the Channel Maker script creator, link down in the description and comments. Next, put in the email address you'd like your script sent to. Let's check our email and view our script. And just like that, your script is complete. Let's keep moving on. Now we need a voiceover for our script. From Channel Maker, click on 11 Labs Voiceover. 11 Labs is by far the best text-to-speech AI platform on the web. In my opinion, nothing comes close. I've created hundreds of YouTube videos using 11 Labs, and it's by far the best. Before you can use 11 Labs, you have to sign up for the 11 Labs free trial. Now let's head over to the studio and click Start from Scratch. Now click on Select a Voice and type in Dave. This will be the voice we use for our script. Okay, so far we have a script and the right voice for our script. Now let's paste a paragraph from our script and see what we got.
Are you ready to push harder and bring intensity into your life? Today, we are going to dive deep into how you can turn your dreams into reality by giving it your all.
Everything sounds great. Now let's hit the download button and hop back over to CapCut to finish. Once we're back over in CapCut, upload our downloaded 11 Labs audio file and drop it onto our timeline. Now let's see what we got.
Are you ready to push harder and bring intensity into your life? Today, we are going to dive deep into how you can turn your dreams into reality by giving it your all. It's time to stop settling for less and start reaching for the stars. You are capable of amazing things, but you need to amp up your intensity and motivation to get there.
And that's it. You would continue to copy and paste your script into 11 Labs and drop the audio file into CapCut until you're finished. It's easy. Our next step is just as important as the video itself, and that's the video title. Your video title will make or break your video's views. Your video title is the most important metric the YouTube algorithm uses to push your video to the right audience. Since we already know the video title Iron Warrior is using works, all we have to do is recreate one with a similar flavor. Remember the software we used earlier to create our script, Channel Maker? Well, that's exactly what we're going to use to create our title. Success leaves clues, so instead of pounding your brain to come up with a new title, we're going to use the original title of the video and let AI do the work. Let's take a look. Heading back over to the original YouTube video, copy and paste Iron Warrior's video title into Channel Maker's title box. What this is going to do is make the title better so that you can use it in your video. Now let's go to our email inbox and see what we got. All right, so Channel Maker gave us 10 eye-catching titles that should get your video clicks and views. I'm liking the title, Unleash Your Inner Beast, The Secret to Relentless Motivation. This will be the title we'll use. Keep in mind if you don't like the titles given, you can generate the title again for 10 more new ones. Now we're at the last step, which is generating your YouTube video description. Your video description helps the YouTube algorithm also determine the right audience to show your video to, just like the title. Whenever you have a video description that works well with your title, your video is bound to have success. Staying inside of Channel Maker, let's paste our video title into the description box and see what we get. We now have a fully laid out video description that has hashtags, a lengthy video description the algorithm loves, and video tags for your video to rank in YouTube searches. Everything done for you. All you need to do is copy and paste. Make sure to start your free trial by going to the Channel Maker link down in the description and in the comments section. I will drop more videos like this weekly, showing you how to copy and paste any YouTube video or channel that has been proven to make money, so you can get a piece of the pie too. Thanks for watching. Also make sure to subscribe so you don't miss weekly videos like this one. See you in the next video.